This is number 15 of the Math 3 EOC practice test. Rewrite to find an equivalent polynomial expression of this one given, where x is not equal to 2. That just means it'll work because if x were 2, this would be 0, the denominator would be 0, and it would be undefined. So don't worry about this part, just this. Enter your answer in the space provided. So when you see this, you're dividing this polynomial by x minus 2, so you can either do long division or synthetic division. I'm going to choose to do synthetic division. If you want to do long division, you can set it up x minus 2, and then you put this whole expression under here, and you work it out that way. With synthetic division, remember you change this to 2, and we just use the coefficients. It's kind of like a shortcut. So that means we're just going to use 24, negative 72, 54, and negative 12. So make sure you're not missing an exponent. So we got 4, 3, 2, 1. We don't have a 0. You can add that if you want. So we're going to put 24, negative 72, 54, negative 12. And just to keep everything straight, since there's no constant, I'm going to go ahead and add a 0. So I'm going to bring down the 24. Always bring down the first one, and then you take the 2 and multiply that and put it here. All right, so 2 times 24 is 48. And then I add these two columns together, so negative 72 and 48 is negative 24. And then I'll multiply again, so that will be negative 48. And then I'm going to add 54 minus 48 will be 6. And then I'll multiply, and then I add. And then there's nothing here, so that's just an extra 0 that we really didn't need, but it doesn't hurt to have it. All right, so we divided x out of x to the 4th. That means we start with 1 less than that. So we're going to have 24 x to the 3rd minus 24x squared plus 6x. And then you can put plus 0 if you want, but you can leave it just like that if you want. So that's an equivalent expression.